afternoon, everybody. This is Nelka Rocco again, and today we will answer another question from our student in Udemy. This is for the Road Lighting Design Techniques course. So this is from Trinayan Bora. She said, "Hello Nelka, thank you very much. I downloaded the Dialogs 4.13, but I couldn't open my project in Dialogs 4.13, which was created in Dialogs Evo." Okay, Trinayan, I don't think you can open the Dialogs Evo file in 4.13. I think it's not possible. So yeah, you cannot do it. And also, can you show me how to add ISO lines, grayscale, and value chart E, and dark bands? I think this is the legend of that grayscale. My customer is specifically asking to show dark band areas in the report, and I couldn't find it anywhere in Dialogs. I would really appreciate if you could show me. Thanks and regards, Trinayan. Okay, Trinayan, it's very easy. So I open now my Dialogs 4.13. What is this? Okay, so this is a roundabout. Let's go for one of the road with a median, and this is how it looks. So if you want to see the grayscale, go to this output, and then let's go to, for example, this median, and then go to this valuation field, and then go and select this ISO lines. This one. Yeah, this is the one. And then you want to see also the grayscale. So this is the grayscale. And this is, I think, the gray band that you are saying. So this is the legend of the grayscale. And the value chart E is here. Okay, so it's just there for your, the information that you're looking is under the valuation field. Just collapse the folder, and then you will find this ISO lines, grayscale, and value chart E. And also you can also include the table. Sometimes they are looking for this one because they want to see where is the lowest lux value and also the highest. Okay, so Trinayan, it's very easy, right? Just go to the output tab at the bottom here, and then select one of your road, and then go to the valuation field, select the ISO line, the grayscale, and the value chart. And there you go. This gray band that you're looking is here. So yeah. All right, so it's very easy, right? So yes, I hope you learned something today. And of course, if you want to get this Dialogs 4.13 software, just email me at nelka_rocco@yahoo.com or enroll in my Udemy course, Road Lighting Design Techniques, or Football Lighting Design, because I use Dialogs 4.13 in sports lighting also. And it's there in the additional resources. You can download it here. And yes, so go and check that one. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and open this notification bell so you'll get updated. And of course, if you want to read my books, go and check it at the Amazon.com. Yeah, I have a book about road lighting, and what else? Of course, the Udemy courses here. Go and enroll. Okay, so Trinayan, keep learning, and see you again on the next video. Bye!